Hey homegirls, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a little living room tour of a recent project I just completed. This is the Addison project. If you have not watched my Transform My Space series episode that I just posted, make sure you watch that before you watch this video. I'll leave it up above in the cards and down below in the description box. It kind of gives more of like the behind the scenes of how this project kind of came together, came to life, and gives a little bit more of the story behind this whole design process. So make sure you watch that. The episode was really, really good, and it's kind of like a HGTV type of vibe. So if you're into that, watch the video. But welcome to the Addison project. Today I wanted to give you guys a little living room tour and a little bit more of like where I got stuff from and just walk you through the whole design. So let's get into it. When you walk into the living room, this is what you see. This is a pretty open space. This home, fun fact, is actually like a 1950s home that was remodeled. It's really beautiful. The bones are really great in this home. And this is a pretty big space. I would call it more of like a living room slash family kind of room space because it's pretty huge. You can do a lot of like entertaining in this space, but it's absolutely beautiful. So we really wanted to, in the design process, be really intentional about how we laid out the living room because my client really is gonna be doing a lot of entertaining in this space. So I recommended doing 2 chairs in the sectional. We have these 2 chairs, which are from Target, I believe. Everything that you see in this room, by the way, will be linked down below in the description box. So make sure you check it out if you like any of the items that you see in this living room tour. But we purchased these chairs from Target, I believe, and they're absolutely beautiful. They are like a little faux leather material, which I really love. So they're easy to clean, really great quality for the price point that was paid for the chairs. I highly recommend this chair for sure, but I just love how it looks. It kind of adds a nice pop of color even though it is somewhat neutral still. It just brings a lot more interest to the room and a bit of a little sophistication to the room too. So I absolutely love this chair. All right, we decided to go with a gray sectional. We wanted to keep things pretty neutral for the most part. We really wanted a sectional to have the opportunity to seat multiple people. I absolutely love this sectional. I love how modern, how sophisticated this sectional is. It's from Calcery, which they have a lot of modern, sophisticated pieces, so definitely check them out. I'll have it linked down below. Like I said, everything that you see will be linked down below that I can link. Some things, of course, I got from Home Goods, so I won't be able to link them, or from other places, but everything that I can link will be linked. Also, really quick, I want to point out the pillows on the couch are from Amazon. Do not sleep on Amazon when it comes to pillows. I had like a whole pillow dilemma trying to find pillows in Home Goods, and I just did not have luck. And Amazon came in clutch, okay, last minute. Other pillows are from Target, so I did get like the bigger pillow that you see in the back from Target. But yeah, Amazon came in the clutch. Also, speaking of Amazon, a lot of the products that you see in this space is from Amazon. Amazon, like I said, don't sleep on them. They have a lot of great home finds that can be really affordable and can bring together a really nice look in your space. I actually sourced this artwork from Amazon, which I love. I love how modern, how sophisticated this looks, but it was also really affordable, which is nice. Like, we love saving coins. And they have other options too, really nice options that are like modern, abstract type of like artwork. If you're into that, if that's your vibe. Like I said, it will be linked down below, so check it out. All right, some other notable mentions in the room. We got this lamp from Target, which I really love. This is a nice like overhead lamp if you want to read a book right here, or just have a glass of like wine or coffee in the morning and just have like a little nice overhead light with no other lighting on. I think this is so beautiful, and it was a great price point as well. We also got the curtains from Amazon, and then the curtain rods from IKEA, which the IKEA curtain rod, it can be a little tricky, but it's a really nice, like affordable like vibe, but it can be tricky to install. So keep that in mind when you are purchasing the curtain rod, but I really love the look of it. I love how it's a nice, sleek look. Everybody knows with IKEA products, it can be really tricky to like put them together just because there's no instructions, so keep that in mind. Okay, moving on to the coffee table area. I think we purchased this from Amazon. Like I said, it'll be linked down below. If it's not Amazon, I'll put where it's actually from on the screen, but I absolutely love this coffee table. I will say one thing I noticed that it is probably a little difficult to clean a little bit, so just be like aware of that. But this coffee table is meant to like mimic like a faux concrete look, so it's supposed to have some scuffs and some wear and tear over time, so keep that in mind. I wanted to be very simplistic when it came to the coffee table styling, so I just added a candle that I got from Home Goods, a little moss bowl. We love a moss bowl here on this channel, and it's just always nice to add a touch of greenery to the room. I also DIY'd this bowl, but the main bowl is from Hobby Lobby, and then I got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful coffee table look from Home Goods as well as this little crystal from Home Goods as well too. Very simplistic styling, but it works, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. Also, the rug is from Rugs USA, which I am obsessed with Rugs USA. They have the best options that I've seen on the market, and the quality is just really good. So I had to make sure that I used a Rug USA rug for my client. The pattern is super unique, but it's still neutral for the most part. It's something that I think that just brings the room together and gives it a lot more character than just going for like a flat color. I feel like it would have made the room a little flat, so it's nice that it has like a little interest, a little pattern, but still neutral, and it's not too loud, but it just blends in really nicely. Like it really just ties everything together in the room. So I am obsessed. Oh, I forgot to mention that this beautiful end table is from Home Goods as well too, and they have a lot of these that are still in the store right now. So if you see these and you love it, definitely grab them. I thought that they were a really great price point for the quality. It does have a marble top, which I absolutely love. It's really beautiful. I paired it with this marble like jewelry tray, and I just thought it was really pretty just to sit on top of here. So absolutely love the look. Also, this pillow is from Amazon as well too, so make sure y'all don't sleep on Amazon. At the other end of the room, we did put like a little tree to add a little bit more greenery. So this is just a faux fig tree that I sourced from Amazon, and it's absolutely beautiful. I think it just adds a nice touch to the room, and we needed something in this corner, so a tree is always a nice option to put in the room. Okay, this has to be my favorite spot in the living room, and that is this little wet bar area. I am obsessed. We were trying to figure out for the longest like what to do with this space. It was such a big space, as you can see, and I really wanted something that he could use for entertaining, something that would really be a nice functional design. The mirrors definitely are the statement piece in my opinion here. It really just opens up the room a lot, just having these two massive mirrors, which are from IKEA, by the way. I absolutely love these mirrors. Like I said, it makes the room a lot more open, even though it's already open to begin with. And it honestly brings in a lot more light too. That's a little hack. Make sure that you have mirrors to bring in more light into your room. Also, my favorite part of this wall are the sconces, two on each side, which brings in another additional layer of lighting. They are not wired, by the way. You can have sconces or lighting that don't have any wiring or require any hard wiring. So it has a remote that you can turn on the lighting to kind of have dim lighting when you need it, but I am obsessed with just like the look of this. It's beautiful. And then we have this beautiful walnut console, which I'm blanking on where we actually sourced this from. I'll link it down below, but I absolutely love this console. I think it was from Wayfair, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. It has, I want to say 4 doors. So 4 doors that you can open. It provides a lot of storage if you want to like store like your alcohol down here, or just like your maybe like your entertaining utensils or whatever. Pretty great size and pretty great storage unit that you can use for entertainment. And then on top of the console, I just did some styling. So we have some coffee table books as well. Of course, we had to have the glasses and just like a little shaker. Just some stuff that, you know, is nice to display, but also functional if you are entertaining friends. And then of course I had to add some vases as well. So you guys know I love vases. So added some vases too for a little extra texture on the console. But like I said, this is definitely my favorite part. And it just really brings so much interest in the living room. It's definitely a conversational piece, and I love how the mirrors just open up the room. We also put like a little small console under the TV area. So this little console is from Wayfair, I think it is. and it's really nice. It's pretty low, but it's low on purpose because this is supposed to be a very modern design, and so typically modern designs do involve like lower furniture, like a little bit more closer to the ground, and I love it. I think it's really nice, and it's still really practical because there is some storage as well too here. Tour. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. I'll link everything down below, like I said, in the description box that you see in this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.